And when I see the Ninja Battle Ball to win for being a good guy. Stop! Oh, snap! Be careful. Be careful. Do you bite your style? Hey, don't try to hit me. Don't try to hit me. Hey, don't hit the wood. Let's hit it soft. Like this. I mean, we're gonna hit it like this. You ever say that? We're gonna hit it, stop it. We're gonna hit it like this. Let me see this. We're gonna hit it like that one. You don't move it. That's what you have to do. We both like this, huh? We both like what you do. Stop. You're going around the battle station. If you're not, look. The other one this side. You can go past this, and I can go past it. Oh, you went past it. No, what? What you went past it? I can go through the wall. I can go through the wall. No, not go through that. Yeah, I might not go through that. Yes, we can. No, you can't. We can go in the battle station. That's out the game. Okay? We can go out. It's this room. You can't go past. And what you can't go past? I can't go past right here, and you can't go past right here. No, we have the same station, but we can't pass this wall. Okay? Let's go. Don't feel hit me now. Hey, I feel like you're gonna hit me. Oh, you're out of the camera. Well, we came to be out of the camera to like this. Ninja slash! I cut you. Please! You please. You squeeze out your heart. Hey, turn the right back on.
No.
Okay, let's be up. Stop the boom. What? Hey, Sugar! Sorry.
Get away from me!
I said sorry. Time. Okay, time. Like when he come up and try to hit you for you cannot hit for you. That's your word. Man, I'm sorry. Hey.
Put the macaroni and cheese.
Ninja off. No!